Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. So, if your HP DeskJet printer is printing blank pages, don't worry, you're not the only one dealing with this. It's one of the most common printer issues, and most of the time, it's simply a dirty printhead, outdated firmware, or a paper setting slightly off. That's why in this video, I'll show you few simple methods to get your HP DeskJet printing properly again. Alright, let's jump right in. Method 1. Clean the printhead. First of all, you'll need to open the front cover of your printer. Next, wait for a few seconds for the ink cartridges to slide into the middle. That's the replacement position. Once they've stopped moving, gently press the cartridges backward to unlock them. Then, carefully take them out, but make sure not to touch the shiny contacts underneath. After that, use a clean, dry, lint-free cloth and gently wipe the contact area and the printhead on each cartridge. Finally, slide the cartridges back into the place, close the front cover, and you're done with the first fix. Alright, now that we've cleaned up the printhead, let's move on to the next step, that is, updating your printer's firmware. Method 2. Update printer firmware using HP Smart App. To start, open the HP Smart App on your computer. Then, on the home screen, click on your printer name or icon. After that, hover over Settings on the left side and then open Advanced Settings. Now, you'll see a pop-up that says Continuing to your printer settings. Just read the message and click OK. Once you do that, the app will open your printer's setting page, also called the Embedded Web Server. From here, go to the Tools tab and expand Printers Updates. Next, click on Firmware Updates. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your printer's PIN number. Please keep in mind, the PIN number is printed on a label inside your printer's cartridge area. Once you have it, go back to the Smart App, enter the PIN and hit the Submit button. Finally, click on Check Now. If there's an update available, your app will automatically download and install it for you. Once that's done, we'll double check your paper settings to ensure everything matches. Method 3. Review the paper type settings. On your computer, open the control panel. Then click on Hardware and Sound. After that, head over to Devices and Printers and click on Advanced Printer Setup. From the list that appears, choose your HP printer. Next, open Printing Preferences. Double check your paper type and size settings to ensure accuracy. If they don't match the paper you're using, and adjust them. Then click on Apply and OK to save your changes.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.